And still in Clarendon, there are renewed efforts to make communities safer, but a senior policeman argues that it must start from within. He was speaking at the opening of a community resource center in Brixton. TVJ's Jeline Pearson reports.
6 pillars, residents and a community resource center. These pooled together are what Acting Assistant Commissioner of Police Steve McGregor believes is the key towards better communities. He said with the partnership between USAID, Comet 2 and the JCF, all communities where community centers are erected, the 6-pillar initiative will be used to make communities safer. Pillar 1, creating a curfew program to get youngsters off the street by 9 p.m. to prevent them being lured into gangs.
They are much younger than these old, criminals. They can run faster like Usain and those people. Yes. They can go through the little holes in the windows. Yes. To rob people's houses. But not only that. We don't have any record of them, we meaning the police, because they have not yet committed any crime. So we'll be playing catch up when they have used them because they are new to the crime vein. And the most gruesome reason is that they are more eager to prove.
Another is neighborhood watch groups. He made reference to the Sigourney Neighborhood Watch Group in East Kingston.
They have a list of all the abandoned houses in the community. You know why? They can give this to the police so the police know where to check when they are patrolling. Because these guys that are being run out of Montego Bay, St. James, you know where they're going? The places where the zone is not. We picked up 2 in St. Thomas recently.
Alongside this, Acting ACP McGregor says there must be a consultative committee to deal with minor disputes before they mushroom into violence.
What we have been doing is that we bring in groups from outside when things happen within community, and they will come and they don't come back. They will come and they don't stay long enough. So the consultative committee will genesis here, reside here, know the people who are here. So who better a set of people to deal with issues than that committee made up of principals and pastors, a shopkeeper who has been here for 20 years who know the people, those elders who can sit and deal with it.
In addition, he says youth clubs, mentorship and safe school programs will be implemented to bring the drive to fruition. For this to work, he says partnership between residents and the police is a must. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.